here's how to rekey the handing on a door if when you went to insert your handle this was up instead of down. The proper way is down here. So anyway, here we go. What you do is insert your cylinder removal tool in the release button right here. Press that in, hold that in like so, and remove the center post. Okay. Then take your second cylinder removal tool. If you don't have a second one, you can use a key underneath this point to push the removal button in. Pass this cylinder removal tool straight down through the center. Let me show you how to do it with a key here. So, using the back of the key, you insert it like so, and that locks it into place. Then insert this like so, and in the right position, it'll pop the cylinder out. Then we want to take this and flip it over the opposite way. If it was this way, you can do this at your door handle also, like so. Just make sure it's in the right way, and then you know which way to put your key in. So this one's going to go this way, and then you just press it into place and it snaps into place. Okay. And reinsert your post in the back of it. You don't have to push the button in again to reinsert the post. You just have to rotate it the right way and push it in. And you're all set there, ready to install the lock.